This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 5th of July. I'm James Spann. Very typical summer conditions expected around here today. Let's get in there and take a look and see what's happening. We'll start with the Skycam shots early this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. Had a few brave souls out there on the Hugh Thomas Bridge. That's our Tuscaloosa Skycam. That bridge, of course, connects downtown Tuscaloosa with Northport. Here's the Clanton Skycam, evidence of a little daylight at 5 o'clock, but you know, the days are getting shorter now as we are past the solstice. And always a nice pre-dawn or a dawn look there, pre-sunrise look at the Tennessee River seen from the Skycam up in Decatur. Got an upper ridge over much of the nation, which is what you expect in summer. Got pockets of convection on the periphery of the ridge, the ring of fire, if you will. Heat most intense a little northwest of Alabama yesterday, up around St. Louis. They've been baking this summer. And there's pretty good evidence the core of the heat moves west next week. And if that indeed is the case, that will open the door for heat levels to drop here and a better coverage of showers and storms, just as you'll see in just a bit. All right, that's the convective outlook today. Now, yesterday in their Day 2 outlook, SPC had a slight risk for a large part of Alabama. This morning, they took that out. It's down to the 5% risk. It doesn't really matter one way or the other. The storms here in summer are rarely organized. They're the pulse-type storms. They can have, some hail and a wet microburst from time to time. And we do expect those later today. They'll be pretty strong, so we'll keep an eye on them. Same thing tomorrow. And really, we'll see the strong storms every day through the weekend in scattered pockets. And scattered is the key word. It doesn't rain everywhere. But if you smooth out the rain over the next 5 days, numbers should look about like that. That's the rain valid through Monday evening of next week. And the tropics are awfully quiet. And again, out in the deep tropics, the breeding ground, we have the dry Sahara dust layer. The water's kind of cool out there, so that's a reason many of us don't expect the hurricane season to be all that active. More than likely, if things develop, they will be close-in type development. Storms we'll watch. But again, things are awfully quiet now. This is the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. Little 594 ring around Kansas City. That represents the center of the heat dome. And down below that, very typical summer weather. Partly sunny, hot, hazy. Chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And that'll be our formula for tomorrow and the weekend. There's Saturday and there's Sunday. Highs probably maybe upper 90s today and tomorrow, mid-90s over the weekend. But look at next week. That's Monday. And you see the deal, ridging to the west, troughing over the east, and a surface front approaching from the north. And in summer, those rarely pass through here, but they sure can enhance the coverage of showers and storms. So we're thinking the coverage of the rain will go up early next week. There's Tuesday, the cold front near Muscle Shoals. But on Wednesday, you can see it just stops and it doesn't push through here. And a week from today could be relatively wet. So next week, in fact, the models have highs only in the 80s on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Ooh, doesn't that sound good? With much better rain chances. We'll check the end of the forecast July 20th, and that's what July 20th ought to look like. Jet stream is on the Canadian border, kind of soupy here, and that means the chance of scattered showers and storms, but no sign of any nasty heat like we had a week or so ago. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock tonight on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.